What's up guys, today I'm going to solve a cube with claws. To make a claw, we will need a paper.
2 hours later.
So for the time being, I've already made 10 claws. So let's put it on first. Wow, heart shape. So let's start. Wait, I can't start the timer and scramble the cube. It looks a bit clumsy, right? So how am I supposed to start? Is it okay? Wait. Ooh. So I will start with my palm. Wait, it started already. Wait. Oh, I know I can do wrist turn now. Wait. Oh, first turn. Oh. Cube keep falling. Cross done. And my last pair. This cube is absolutely difficult to turn. It's just so stubborn. My hands are burning right now. It's like sweating so much. Oh my gosh. Like I'm in the desert. Wait, it stopped. So continue. Can I just use my palm to fix it? No, I can't. Shh, don't tell anyone. Oh, a U palm. Yeah. Oh, what? Oof. Oh. I think I should take off my claws. Wait! After those hard turning, filling off claws, and I can't pick the cube up, I finally solved the cube. And please, just don't try it at home. It's super dangerous. You can see it's so sharp. Oh. So make sure you go and subscribe to me and Cubo Squad. I will do a Q&A next time, so make sure you leave a question below. And see you next time. Bye bye.